Again. So today we will start our chapter 10, that is mensuration. Mensuration means in which we will find the area and perimeter of the given figure. So we'll see what are here 2D shapes. So let's start our 10 chapter mensuration. Plane figure. What do you mean by plane figure? Plane figure means it is a closed 2D shape that are referred to as plane figure. Here you can see that C is the boundary of the VAR figure and the area inside the boundary is the region of this figure. So the point D comes in the area of the given figure. Here I will see what is mean by perimeter and area. So perimeter means the boundary. Means this is the boundary and this one is known as perimeter of any figure, and the area which is inside the boundary is known as area. So that one is known as area inside the boundary is the region of the given figure, or we can find that this is the area of any given closed figure. Now we'll see the perimeter. What do you mean by perimeter? If we go around the figure along its boundary to form a closed figure, then the distance covered is the perimeter of that figure. Or we can say that perimeter refers to the length of the boundary of a closed figure. It is a figure made up of line segments only. Means it should be made up of only line segment. Then we can find its perimeter by length of all the sides of the given figure. Let us understand perimeter by one example. See, it is a closed figure and made up of only line segment. So how to find the perimeter? So perimeter means sum of all the sides. So add all the sides like 12 meter, 12 meter. We'll start from here. 12, 3, 7. You can see 12, 3, 7. Then 10, 3, 15, 12. So this is the perimeter of the given figure. So it is equal to 68 meter. So perimeter क्या होता है? Sum of length of all side, या फिर जो बाहर की जो बाउंड्री होती है, या फिर बोल सकते हैं जो डिस्टेंस ने कवर किया. You can see from this figure which is the distance covered from here. One. This is the total distance covered by that figure. So this is known as perimeter. So perimeter कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ length of the sum of length of all sides. Then so you'll see the perimeter of rectangle and square in this chapter. So what is rectangle? Rectangle is a closed figure with two pairs of equal opposite sides. Means in rectangle these two sides are equal and these two opposite sides are equal. So perimeter of rectangle means sum of all sides. So which is the length here? Here we have to see its length and breadth. So which is the length? It is length and this one is breadth. So how many lengths are there? Total 2 lengths. So length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. So in short form we can write the perimeter of rectangle as, what is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? 2 multiply length plus breadth. So 2 into L plus B is the formula to find the perimeter of rectangle. Nothing you have to do, you have to add all the 4 sides. Then see the perimeter regular closed figure. What do you mean by regular? Figure with equal length of sides and an equal measure of angles are known as regular closed figure or regular polygon. As we already know that what do you mean by polygon? Polygon means it is a closed figure made up of only line segment. Polygon उसे बोलते हैं जो closed होता है, जो सिर्फ line segment से मिलकर बना होता है. So there is one general formula that perimeter of regular polygon is equal to number of sides into length of one side. रेगुलर पॉलीगन मीन्स इन विच ऑल द साइड्स आर इक्वल. रेगुलर पॉलीगन का मतलब ये होता है ऐसा फिगर, ऐसा क्लोज फिगर जिसमें सभी साइड्स क्या होती हैं? बराबर होती हैं या फिर इक्वल लेंथ होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल स्क्वायर. स्क्वायर इज अ रेगुलर पॉलीगन विथ 4 इक्वल साइड. वी नो दैट इन स्क्वायर ऑल द 4 साइड्स आर इक्वल, सो इट इज़ अ रेगुलर पॉलीगन. सो व्हाट इज द पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर? Perimeter means the sum of all sides. So how many sides are there? 4 sides. So side plus side plus side plus side. Or in short form you can write it as 4 into length of a side. So general formula, how we have to write? Number of sides. Number of sides means how many sides are there in square? 4. 4 multiply length of one side. So 4 multiply length of a side. Same perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means in which all the 3 sides are equal. You can see it is an equilateral triangle. Here all the sides are equal means A. So perimeter will be 3 multiply length of a side. मतलब हमें क्या करना है? अगर रेगुलर पॉलीगन है तो हमें उसकी नंबर ऑफ साइड से एक साइड की लेंथ को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ इट इज़ अ ट्राइंगल ऑफ 3 सेंटीमीटर. हियर ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल. सो हाउ टू फाइंड विदाउट एडिंग? बाय दिस फॉर्मूला, बिना प्लस किए 3 + 3 + 3 means it is 9 centimeter. But if you want to find using this formula, then how can you find the perimeter? Is see how many sides are there? 3. And what is the length of one side? एक साइड कितने सेंटीमीटर की? 3. सो मल्टीप्लाई 3 by 3 सेंटीमीटर which is equal to 9 centimeter. Means without adding all the sides, using this formula we can directly find the perimeter of a given figure. Then see perimeter of regular pentagon. Pentagon means having how many sides? 5 equal sides. So that perimeter will be 5 into length of one side. Same hexagon. Hexagon, regular hexagon, it means all the 6 sides are equal and all the angles are equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So perimeter will be 6 into length of one side. Same for octagon. Octa means 8 equal sides. So 8 into length of one side. So for regular polygon, nothing you have to do, you have to multiply the length of one side by the number of sides. Now I'll see the area. So what is area? Area refers to the surface enclosed by a closed figure. Like, so this one is the area. And to find the area of any irregular closed figure, we can put them on a graph paper. Irregular means जो regular नहीं रहता, जैसे कि if you want to find the area of leaves or of any irregular shape, then we can find by using graph paper. But here in this chapter we will see only about the area of rectangle and area of square. So what is area of rectangle? Means this is a given. Here you can see what is the area. This one yellow one, this part is the area of rectangle. So formula of area into rectangle is length multiply breadth. And area of a square is the region covered by the boundary of a square. So area of a square will be how much? Side multiply side, which is side square. So we will use only the 4 formulas: perimeter of square and perimeter of rectangle, and area of a square and area of rectangle. Now we will start our exercise. From all the exercise I have taken some of the selected question to which you have to solve. So question number 1, find the perimeter. Perimeter means first one, length of all the sides. So in first figure, what is the length given? 30, 15, 30, 15. So add all this. So perimeter is sum of length of side. So 15 centimeter, 30 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 30 centimeter. Add all this. So answer will be 30 plus 30, 60, and 60 plus 15, 75 plus 15, 90 centimeter. Same here in this figure. Add all the sides. 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter. So what will be the area? Perimeter. It's 28 centimeter. Like this, add all the length, like 1, 4, 4, 4, 1, 4. See here how many sides? All the length of the sides we have taken and add this. So that will be the perimeter of the given figure. Like this you have to solve 4th, 5th and 6th questions, and it's your homework. Then see find the perimeter of the following rectangle, where length and breadth is given. Perimeter means the length of all sides, and what we have seen, the perimeter of rectangle formula is 2 multiply L plus B. So 2 multiply length is 32.5 and breadth is 14.5. First of all you have to add this 32.5 and 14.5, means it will be 47.0, or we can write it as 47. Now multiply 47 by 2. So answer will be 94 meter. Means the perimeter of rectangle is 94 meter. Then see the second. Length is 4.5 meter, breadth is 60 centimeter. But you can see one is given in meter, second one is in centimeter. So first of all we have to change into same unit. हमें same unit में change करना है. Either you can change from meter to centimeter और सेंटीमीटर से मीटर में. हम या फिर किसी मीटर को सेंटीमीटर में चेंज कर सकते हैं या फिर सेंटीमीटर को मीटर में. बट हियर इन दिस क्वेश्चन इट इज़ गिवन 4.45 मीटर. So we will change 60 centimeter to meter. If you want to change from centimeter to meter, we'll divide it by 100. So we can write it as 0.60 meter. Now you can see both are in same unit. It is also in meter and 0.60 is also in meter. After changing into same unit, then only we will add. पहले हमें दोनों को सेम यूनिट में चेंज करना है, उसके बाद हम पेरीमीटर फाइंड कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज आवर आंसर विल कम रॉन्ग. So perimeter rectangle is 2 into L plus B. 2 multiply 4.5 plus 0.60. Now add 4.5 plus 0.60. So answer will be 5.10. So 2 into 5.10, which is equal to 10.20 meter. Like this you have to solve the remaining question also. The next one, question number 3rd. Find the perimeter of a square if sides of a square are. Perimeter of a square means sum of all sides, and how many sides are there? 4. So 4 multiply side. What is the given here? 25 centimeter. So perimeter square will be 4 multiply 25, which is 100 centimeter. The next question, question number 4. Find the side of a square whose perimeter is 16 meter. Here what we have to find? We have to find the side, and perimeter is given 16 meter. Here perimeter is given, it means we have to use the formula of perimeter of square. And what is the formula? Perimeter square is 4 multiply side. So perimeter square is given 16 meter. So write here 16 meter, 4 multiply side. As we do not know the side, हमें side पता नहीं है, इसलिए हम side को side लिखेंगे. Now see, here you can see that 4 is given in multiplication. If you want to change, if you want to transfer to right left hand side, it will change into divide. अगर कोई सा भी नंबर अगर वो लेफ्ट में मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है, अगर हम इसे राइट में ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे तो वो किस में चेंज हो जाएगा? डिवाइड में. सो विल टेक 16 टू हियर, सो इट विल चेंज इनटू डिवाइड. 4 1 जा 4, 4 4 जा 16. It means the side of a square is 4 meter. According to the question you have to apply. So side of the square is 4 meter here. Then see the next question, question number 5. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 40 meter and breadth 25.5 meter at the rate of rupees 12 per meter. Fencing means here 12 per meter is given. Per meter means we have to first find the perimeter. After that fencing means like it is a rectangular park and we have to make a boundary of any wire or anything that we have to cover. द टोटल रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क में हमें कुछ कवर करना है या फिर आसपास हमें क्या लगवानी है, दैट वायर्स वी हैव टू यूज़. सो दैट वन व्हाट इज विल बी द कोस्ट, व्हाट विल द कोस्ट दैट. So from the question you can see that find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length is given 40 meter, breadth is 20.5 meter. First of all we will find the perimeter. So perimeter formula is 2 multiply L plus B. So 2 into 40 plus 25.5. First of all add this, so it will be 65.5 and multiply by 2. So 131.0 or 131 meter. After this they ask that what is the cost of fencing a rectangular park with rupees 12 per meter. Means पर मीटर का मतलब होता है 1 मीटर के लिए कितने रुपीस लगेंगे? रुपीस 12. एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड फॉर हाउ मच? 131 मीटर के लिए हमें फाइंड करना है. सो हाउ कैन यू फाइंड? फॉर कॉस्ट ऑफ फेंसिंग रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क ऑफ 131 मीटर विल बी 12 मल्टीप्लाई 131 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 12 इंटू 31 विच इज इक्वल टू रुपीज़ 1572. ये पर मीटर का मतलब होता है 1 मीटर के लिए कितने रुपीस लग रहे हैं? रुपीस 12. और हमें कितने मीटर के लिए चाहिए? पूरा 131. और हमें पता है कि अगर हम एक से, इफ़ यू वांट टू फाइंड फॉर 1 to many we will always multiply and for many to 1 we will divide. But here for 1 meter it is given and we have to find for 131 meter, so we will multiply by 131. It means the cost of fencing a rectangular park will be rupees 1572. See, find the perimeter of a triangle with side measuring 8 cm, 12 cm, 13 cm. Here in this question you can see that the triangle perimeter means sum of all the sides, so add all the sides here. Then see the question number 7. The perimeter of a regular pentagon is 100 cm. How long is each side? Here you can see perimeter is given how much? 100 cm. So write according to the question. The perimeter of regular pentagon is 100 cm. How long is each side? It means we have to find the value of side. So write the formula perimeter of regular pentagon. Regular pentagon means how many sides are there? 5. So 5 multiply side. Regular pentagon, its perimeter is given 100 centimeters. So write here 100. 5 multiply side. As we have seen in the last question that 5 will change into divide here. So 5 to the 10, 20 centimeter. If you divide 100 by 5, you will get 20 centimeter. It means the side of, you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4. If we make 5, that perimeter pentagon, so how many sides are there? 5 sides. 1, 2, then 3, 4, and here it is 5 sides are there. Here we can see that 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each side is of how many centimeter? 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. So you can see 20 plus 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So perimeter of regular pentagon is 100 centimeter. The next question, find the perimeter of a regular pentagon whose each side is 110 centimeter. Using this formula only. But here in this question they asked about perimeter and side is given. इस question में side दी और हमें perimeter निकालना है. So it means here to use the formula 5 multiply side. Then question number 9. Now we'll see how to find the area of rectangle. So area of rectangle formula is L into B. Sorry, here it was B will be area of rectangle. The area of rectangle is length multiply breadth. So length is 12.5 and breadth is 8. So 12.5 into 8, which is equal to 100. Now see, centimeter is given how many times? 2 times. So centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square, or you can write it as square centimeter also. We can write both type, centimeter square or square centimeter. Any unit you can use, and this unit is important. Same, you can find the next second one also, second and third. Then see the fourth one. Length is 3.3 kilometer, breadth is 420 meter. Now you can see it is in kilometer and this one is in meter. So we cannot find the area. First of all, we'll change into same unit. So we can change from meter to kilometer. We know that 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So divide by 1000, it can be written as 0.420 kilometer. After this, you can change. You can see that both are in same unit. Now multiply. Now I found the area. So area of rectangle is L into B. So 3.3 kilometer into 0.420 kilometer. Now multiply this. So answer will be 1.386 kilometer into kilometer square. Then now in this question we have to find the area of a square. So what is the area of a square? Whose sides are? मतलब side कितनी दी है? 3 centimeter. So area of a square is side multiply side. So 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter मतलब 3 3s are 9 centimeter into centimeter square. So this is the area of our square. Only you should know the formula of that area of square and area of rectangle, then only you can easily solve the question. Then question number 11, find the breadth of a rectangle whose area is 540 centimeter square and whose length is 36 centimeter. What we have to find the breadth. So right here breadth of rectangle is question mark. Whose area is, means area is given. Area is how much? Area of rectangle is 540 centimeter square and length is 36 centimeter. So right here length of rectangle is equal to 36 centimeter. First of all see the given data. पहले हमें क्या दिया है उसे हमें लिखना है. So given area 540 centimeter square, length 36 centimeter and breadth we have to find. So question mark. Now here area is given, so we'll use the area of rectangle formula. Area of rectangle is L into B. Now put the value. Area of rectangle 540 centimeter square, so write here 540 centimeter square. Length is 36 centimeter. Breadth is not given, so write here B only. Now as we already seen, 36 centimeters given in multiplication, so in this side we change into divide. So now divide 36 540 by 36. If you divide, you will get the answer as 15 centimeter. Means the breadth of rectangle is 15 centimeter. Then question number 12. Find the length of a rectangle whose area is 750 centimeter square and whose breadth is 15 centimeter. Now what we have to find? Length we have to find. Area is given 750 and breadth is given 15. So using it's same as question number 11, only in place of breadth we have to find here length. Like this you have to solve as question number 11, so you will get the answer of that length of rectangle. Then See the last question of our chapter 13, chapter 11, that 10, that question number 13. A rectangular field is 65 meters long and 45 meters wide. Find the cost of turfing it at rupees 2 per square meter, and also find the cost of fencing at rupees 4 per meter. So what is it? Is a field of rectangular, 65 meters long. Long means length. So length of rectangular field is 65 meter. 45 meter wide. Wide means breadth only. Wide और breadth एक सेम होता है. So breadth is 45 meter. Find the cost of turfing at rupees 2 per square meter. हमें क्या बताना है? Cost बताना है. So turfing means होता है like if you want to take the grass in our garden, like it is a rectangular field. ये rectangular field है और हमें उसमें अंदर एरिया में क्या बिछवाना है? घास बिछवाना है. सो दैट इज़ नॉन एज टर्फिंग. पर स्क्वायर मीटर, यहाँ पर स्क्वायर मीटर दिया है. इसका मतलब होता है पहले हमें एरिया फाइंड करना है, फिर उसको ₹2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ऑल्सो फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ फेंसिंग. फेंसिंग का मतलब होता है हमें चारों तरफ किसी भी चीज़ से मतलब बाउंड्री बनवानी है. तो बाउंड्री बनवानी है मतलब पेरीमीटर. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू फाइंड द कॉस्ट, यहाँ पर लिखा नहीं है कि हमें एरिया भी फाइंड करना है या फिर पेरीमीटर करना है, बट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड. सो पर स्क्वायर मीटर दिया है, इसका मतलब हमें एरिया निकालना है, और पर मीटर दिया है, ओनली मीटर इज गिवन, दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू फाइंड द पेरीमीटर, बिकॉज वी नो दैट वी आर ओनली यूजिंग मीटर स्क्वायर और स्क्वायर मीटर फॉर ओनली एरिया. सो लेंथ is given 65 meter, breadth is 45 meter, so area is L into B, means 65 into 45, 2925 meter, 2925 meter square. Now what they ask that at rupees 2 per square meter. पर का मतलब होता है सिर्फ एक मीटर स्क्वायर के लिए. पर मीन्स ओनली फॉर 1 मीटर स्क्वायर. सो कॉस्ट ऑफ टर्फिंग पर मीटर इज ₹2. So for the cost of turfing for 2925 meter square will be multiplied by 2. It means rupees 5850. Then after this we'll find the perimeter. So perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiply L plus B. So 2, 65 plus 45 means 110. So the perimeter is 220 meter. And in the question what they said that cost of fencing at 4 per meter. Per meter मतलब 1 मीटर के लिए कितने हैं? ₹4. And we have to find for how many meter? ₹220. So for 220 meter. So for cost of fencing per meter is ₹4. So cost of fencing for 220 meter will be ₹4 into 220 means ₹280. So in we will cover only this much questions from our chapter 10. After that we can solve if extra question if you want. So I hope you all have understood what is perimeter and area of the given figure, the rectangle and square. So we'll see the next chapter on the next of our class.